Hey again there, how you doing? Curtis here. This is Salt and Pepper. She is a 100% best Kittel hen. 100% best Kittel. She's just now in the middle of her molt. Small to medium. And again, vibrates like there's no tomorrow. Her vibration is tremendous. When you hold her, she vibrates so very much. I'm trying to find the right angle here so you can see that vibration. Look at that. I don't think the camera does it justice. I have to work on my camera skills. But this is Salt and Pepper, 100% best Kittel. I have a pedigree, but I forgot to dig it out before I did the video. I'm not going back to look at it. But it's best Kittel on top and best Kittel in the bottom. Salt and Pepper. She'll be ready in time for breeding in about at the end of January or so. She's a young bird, and she just now dropped her third. So we probably have another 3 months before she's ready. But look at that vibration. Out of this world. Salt and Pepper, best Kittel in my breeding program 2023. She's really easy to handle. On the larger side of small, so small to medium, compact, very powerful. She's powerful in hand, and she's always vibrating. Whenever you hold her, she's always vibrating. Salt and Pepper. I hope you enjoyed her as much as I do, as much as I am. She's one of I guess 2 collared birds, or 3 that I have in my loft. Nice meat in the chest for a small bird. Real nice. Vents. The vents are about the tightest you can find. They're as tight as you can find them. There's nothing to get in there. Just a beautiful, nice little hen. Salt and Pepper, best Kittel. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. And keep coming back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos for more. Well balanced. Ready for breeding in January. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you real soon. Bye bye.